Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is the King of Kings and the Master of Masters. Today, my topic is about my favorite book. Although I have read a number of books, but my favorite book is the Holy Quran. It was revealed to the last Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about 1400 years ago. It is the last message of Allah for the guidance of whole human being up to the day of judgment. It is an Arabic language. It has 30 parts and 114 surahs and 606,066 ayats. Ayats of Holy Quran full of knowledge and wisdom. All Muslims recite in their prayer. That's all.
So he was Iftikhar Ahmed who delivered his holding speech.